Okay, so this is my Comfee washer. I just got this replacement today, and unfortunately the reason for the first one that I had being replaced is still present in this one. So now I'm posting this video to see if anyone knows what the problem might be. It's the Comfee brand, that is the model number. It's the 1.6 cubic foot washer. Okay, so I have everything connected properly. They said that it's preferred if you put the hot water line here and the cold water line here. However, if you only have one faucet, you can connect your cold water line here and then just use it for hot and cold. So that's what it says in the instruction manual. And then you just have to place the cap tightly over the hot water line. So that's what I've done. It's not knotted at all. Everything is connected properly. The hot water is on full, and I get really good water pressure, so that's not an issue. Nothing is knotted. So I turned the machine on. Okay, the machine is on. So I'm going to put it on the quick cycle. I want a small load. It's on small. This only happens, the issue that's happening is that when I put it on the hot cycle, only when I put it on the hot cycle, not when I put it on warm or cold, it starts filling up water and then it just stops and pauses for a very long time. I'm not sure why it's doing this. So it's flashing, that means it's on quick because these are the ones that flash. It's on quick, hot, small. Quick meaning it's gonna do a quick rinse, wash, rinse, and spin, 15 minutes. Then I press start. It goes ahead and it starts. And then it stops. And it doesn't do anything. It happened with my last machine, which was otherwise perfect. And I just got that machine December, which is why I was able to get an exchange. And now I just got this machine today. This morning I just got this. I haven't had this for 5 hours yet, or even 4 hours. And it's doing the same thing, and I'm not sure what. These are the indicator lights. It's supposed to be on wash. I let it just sit here like this for a while to see if maybe something would happen. Nothing happened for several minutes. If I pause it, the little humming sound in the back stops. And you'll hear the sound here. And then I start it back again. So do you know what the issue might be? I've looked up YouTube videos to try and see what's going on. Water only stops when, like, I guess there's some type of tube in the machine where pressure goes to, and when there's enough pressure, it shuts off the water flow. So I don't know if it's sending a faulty signal to it. I really don't know. I'm not gonna like take apart the machine or anything. Yeah. If anyone happens to know what's going on, let me know. Otherwise, it's a great machine. It's interesting because here's the thing. If I take this and I stop it and I start it again and I leave the hot water on, because the hot water is what's on right now, and I do the exact same thing. Let's say I do quick cycle, small, well, yeah, hold on. Quick cycle, small, and I leave it on warm, but I still have it on the hot water over there. And that's on normal cycle, so let's get it on the quick. Okay, it's flashing, so now we know it's on quick. Small and warm. Because it's on warm and not hot, if it's on warm or cold, it works perfectly fine. So now we hit start. and it's still filling it with hot water. That hasn't changed. I haven't changed the temperature. It's not my water system. It's not my setup. My hookup is perfectly fine. Everything is great. If I put it on warm, it fills, runs the wash properly. That's what the last machine that I just returned, apparently now for no reason, did as well. And if I put it on cold, same thing. It runs perfectly. But it's when I put it on the hot setting that it does what you just saw, where it just pauses and does nothing. So if anyone knows what the issue might be, please let me know. I've got everything set up properly like they said to do in the manual. So let me know if you know what the issue might be.